Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. On this occasion, I will present about code switching and code mixing to fulfill my project one of sociolinguistics. Okay, here I have 6 steps. First is introduction. The second is definition and examples of code switching. The third, definition and examples of code mixing. The fourth one is differences concept between code switching and code mixing. And the fifth, the reason of code switching to become off. And the last one is conclusion. Let's begin to introduction. In our daily life, we will be faced with different society who has the different language. It makes possible to us facing the problem of communication in different situations. And it also takes effect in the class when we talk foreign language for students. Code switching is a widely observed phenomenon in multilingual and multicultural communities, especially in foreign language teaching. So, code switching and code mixing are well-known traits in the speech pattern of the average bilingual in any human society the world over. But both of them are the most obvious and widespread, which use a different language. Jadi, dalam kehidupan sehari-hari kita kadang kita berkomunikasi dengan orang lain yang berbeda bahasa dengan kita. Dan perbedaan bahasa ini kadang menjadi salah satu penghambat dalam proses komunikasi di masyarakat. Dalam hal ini, bahasa yang kita gunakan merupakan alat komunikasi adalah elemen pokok untuk menyampaikan hal-hal tersebut. Untuk menyampaikan hal-hal tersebut tentunya dibutuhkan code switching dan code mixing yang tujuannya membuat lawan bicara mengerti apa yang kita sampaikan. Okay. The next is definition and example of code switching. Definition of code switching is a term in linguistics referring to using more than one language or variety in conversation. Sometimes the bilingual speakers getting problem when they having conversation with another bilingual, so they switches their language from code to another in the construction of sentence to make the interlocutor understand. Alih kode ini atau code switching ini dalam linguistik yang mengacu pada penggunaan lebih dari satu bahasa atau variasi dalam percakapan. Terkadang penutur bilingual mengalami kendala ketika bercakap-cakap dengan bilingual lain, sehingga mereka mengalihkan bahasanya dari satu bahasa ke bahasa lain dalam penyusunan kalimat agar lawan bicaranya bisa mengerti. According to Hines in 1974, defines code switching as a common term for alternative use of two or more languages, varieties of a language, or even speech styles. While Bokambasen in 1989 defines code switching as the mixing of words, phrases, and sentences from two distinct grammatical subsystems across sentence boundaries within the same speech event. Here is example of code switching. In the class, when the teacher teaches a foreign language, code switching also becomes strategist learning in order to develop the students' skill in English language. For example, good morning class. Okay students, today we will study about part of body. Jadi, ketika gurunya mengatakan good morning class, okay students, today we will study about part of body. Setelah beliau mengatakan kalimatnya dalam bahasa Inggris, dilanjut, gurunya akan mengatakan juga dalam bahasa Indonesia. Seperti selamat pagi anak-anak, hari ini kita akan belajar tentang bagian-bagian tubuh. Contoh yang kedua, now listen your name. dengar namanya. Jadi setelah pengucapan dalam bahasa Inggris, kemudian guru akan menyampaikan juga dalam bahasa Indonesia. Tujuannya agar para siswa dapat memahami apa yang disampaikan oleh guru tersebut. Okay. The next is definition and example of code mixing. Code mixing is the other phenomenon closely related to code switching. It usually occurs when conversants use both languages together, switch between two languages to the extent that they change from one tone to the other in the course of a single utterance. Code mixing takes place without a change of topic and can involve various levels of language such as phonology, grammatical structures, or lexical items. Kahoot in Newsjam defines code mixing as the term refers to the use of one or more languages for consistent transfer of linguistic units from one language into another, and by such a language mixture developing a new restricted or not so restricted code of linguistic interaction. Jadi, code mixing merupakan fenomena lain yang berkaitan dengan code switching. Nah, hal ini biasanya terjadi ketika seseorang penutur menggunakan kedua bahasa yang bersamaan. Nah, beralih dari dua bahasa hingga terjadi perubahan dari satu bahasa ke bahasa lainnya dalam satu ucapan. Nah, ya. Example of code mixing related to Kahoot defines, we can see the reality in the class. When students saying something in English, they mix some language in a sentence that they don't know how to say in English. It's mean combine the language between Indonesia and English. Ini seperti definisi dari Kahoot bahwa kenyataan ketika kita di dalam kelas saat para siswa itu mengatakan sesuatu dalam bahasa Inggris, mereka akan mencampurkan beberapa bahasa dalam satu kalimat yang mereka tidak tahu bagaimana cara mengatakan kalimat tersebut dalam bahasa Inggris. Jadi mereka akan mengkombinasikan antara bahasa Indonesia dan bahasa Inggris. Seperti contohnya, have you done your homework, Hasan? Yes, sir. Saya sudah kerja my homework. Contoh yang kedua, maaf, sir, kemarin I was sick. Nah, jadi dalam satu kalimat itu akan ada dua bahasa, yaitu bahasa Indonesia dan bahasa Inggris, karena siswa tersebut tidak tahu cara pengucapan dalam bahasa Inggrisnya. The next one is the differences concept between code switching and code mixing. The latter, quoted by Jar and Leonie, tried to differ between code switching and code mixing. He said that code switching is speech event. It became there is a switch from one clause of language to clause of another language. While when speech event become the clauses of phrases, it consists of hybrid clauses and hybrid phrases, and all of they are not support each other is called as code mixing. On the other hand, Fasselt, Inshar, and Loni offered the criteria of grammatically to differ between code mixing and code switching. Code mixing is when someone uses one word or phrase from one language to another language, and code switching is when the language is arranged structurally and grammatically in other language. From the previous study of experts, the differ between code mixing and code switching, it's difficult to make difference in both of them because there's still some concept of rule that have to pay attention to make it clear, and it's related to interference of language. Okay, now we move to the reason of code switching to become off. The first reason of this is the notion that a speaker may not be able to express him or herself in one language so switches to the other to compensate for the deficiency. As a result, the speaker may be triggered into speaking in the other language for a while. Okay. Code switching jenis ini cenderung terjadi ketika pembicara sedang merasa kesal, lelah, atau konsentrasinya sedang terganggu. Secondly, switching commonly occurs when an individual wishes to express solidarity with a particular social group. Rapport is established between the speaker and the listener when the listener responds with a similar switch. Nah, pada peralihan ini juga dapat digunakan untuk mengecualikan orang lain dari percakapan yang tidak berbicara dalam bahasa kedua. Okay. The third reason is for the switching behavior is the alteration that occurs when the speaker wishes to convey his or her attitude to the listener, where monolingual speakers can communicate these attitudes by means of variation in the level of formality in their speech. Bilingual speakers can convey the same by code switching. Okay. Chris Herman dalam Cher and Leonie menggambarkan bahwa untuk mengetahui penyebab terjadinya alih kode berdasarkan sudut pandang sosiolinguistik seperti the speaker, the listener or participant, the changing condition because of the third person, the changing from formal into informal, and the last one is the changing of topic. And the last one is conclusion. Conclusion code switching is a term in linguistics referring to using more than one language or variety in conversation, while other experts stated that code switching is the mixing of words, phrases, and sentences from two distinct grammatical subsystems across sentence boundaries within the same speech event. Code mixing, as the term refers to the use of one or more languages for consistent transfer of linguistic units from one language into another, and by such a language mixture developing a new, restricted or not restricted mode of linguistic interaction. Okay, so I think it's enough, and thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.